Welcome everyone to another video. This is OnePlus Nord and today I am going to camera comparison Google Camera and stock camera. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout, so let's start the video. GCAM download link in the video description line below. Go there and download this GCAM. So let's see the stock camera and Google Camera comparison. OnePlus Nord PUBG gaming review coming very soon, so subscribe right now and press the bell icon. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you in another video. I'm Shada from Shada Out. Allah Hafiz.